video is part of my 12 Cookies of Christmas series 2023, where I explore the Christmas cookies of 12 different European countries. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a Czech Christmas cookie called bear paws or Medvedi Tlapky. These are a chocolate short crust cookie flavored with spices and walnuts pressed into molds to look like bear paws or crescents or fish or all sorts of different shapes, and then they're topped with a powdered sugar topping. So join me today as I share with you this unique Czech Christmas cookie, and stick with me to the end where I will give you a sneak peek of tomorrow's video. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add 240 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 120 grams or 1 cup of powdered sugar. Then add 90 grams or 3/4 of a cup of ground walnuts, 35 grams or half a cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and the zest of 1 lemon. Whisk that all together and then work in 190 grams or 13½ tablespoons of unsalted chilled butter. In researching the origins of this cookie, it appears no one knows exactly where they came from, but they do date back to at least the 16th century. They were popularized for Christmas time in the 19th century by a cookbook written by Magdalena Redikova, who published a cookbook called Home Cookbook in 1825. These cookies are called both Medvedi Tlapky, which means bear paws, as well as prachny, which is the Czech word for work, referencing the laborious nature of making them. According to legend, these were made to protect the family and home from misfortune and evil spirits. When you have a cohesive, smooth dough, wrap it in plastic wrap and chill for half an hour. Then you're going to need some kind of form to press your cookies into. I actually ordered these from Amazon Germany and had them shipped to me, and I think they're pretty close to what the Czech forms are like for pressing these cookies into. You can actually use a French madeleine pan to make the bear paw shape. It resembles a bear paw pretty closely. And so you could do that, or you could order something like this. I will link what I bought below. So now take your dough out of the fridge and take little pieces at a time and work it together in your hands until it's pliable. And then press a little piece of the dough into some flour and then press that into your form. And the flour is going to help prevent it from sticking. Then you're going to place all of those forms filled with the dough onto a baking sheet. For baking, you'll want to pair similar sizes together so that they bake evenly and you don't have the small ones burn. Some traditional shapes for these are bear paws, fish, crescents, all kinds of shapes really, but those are some 3 pretty traditional ones. Bake those in a 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius preheated oven for about 10 minutes, though it does depend on the size of your forms, and then let them cool for about 15 minutes and then pop them out of the forms and dip them in a powdered sugar and vanilla sugar mix.
Good King Wenceslaus looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came in sight, gathering winter fuel. Bring me flesh and bring me wine, bring me pine logs hither, thou and I shall see him dine when we bear them thither. Page and monarch, forth they went together.
I loved the uniqueness of this recipe, that you press the cookie dough into the different molds. That just has such an old-fashioned, old-world feel to it to me. So let's give this a try. That's really good. I love the chocolate flavor. You can also taste the spices and the walnuts in there. It has a softness to it, but the outside is a little bit firm, and it's just really good. It's a very good chocolate spiced Christmas cookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any other cookies in this series. And I will be adding the playlist to the end of the video so that you can catch up on any videos you may have missed. And I will see you tomorrow, but until then, check out the sneak peek of tomorrow's video.